Here's a quick little announcement for Module 9. This one's about nutritional supplements and the consequences when regulations, even slim as they are for this topic or for this product class, aren't followed. So the module starts with, reminder of nutritional supplements. It's been a while since we've thought about them. And then goes through who could you trust about, dietary supplements. The middle part is sort of agencies like the FDA and NIH kind of issuing, these federal agencies putting out the call of there's some bad things happening out there. So you'll see people who have a global view of the United States and some of the issues that come up with nutritional supplements, talking about sort of the pros and mostly the cons of how our current regulations of these products might be harmful. And then the last couple of slides really dig into some specific examples of harm that's caused. So this week is very much about here's something that's only regulated kind of lightly. Is that good enough? Or should there be more regulations? Or should there be even less? So this is one of those topics where you can really start to think about the policy versus the science and real consequences for people. So straightforward, you go through, you take your quizzes. The analysis challenge asks you just to dig into one of the examples from the lecture a little deeper and speak more about it. So not as deep as last week's cannabis. I know there was a lot in there, but there's just a lot to know. Next week, we're going to revisit diagnostic tests, and you'll learn a little bit more science about how some of those work. And you'll be in a group next week, so that it'll be your second, the group has to cooperate. So that'll be next week, not this one. And then after that, after the 10th week, which is 2 weeks from now, we'll only have 2 modules left. So you're totally on the home stretch. This week is 4. Next week is 3, 2, 1, done. You are almost done, and you can totally do it. So stick with it. And the last 2 weeks is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do a deep dive of our whole system of, what are the regulations, why are they here, blah, blah, blah. We're going to do that for one topic in Module 11 and a second topic in Module 12, and just really think through what regulations are for, how they work, and how you can put yourself to be a great person working within a regulated environment in any role. So I hope all of these topics are still really interesting to you. They are to me. And enjoy nutritional or dietary supplements and thinking about them.